Cindy,
Hello.
so nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
I'm Eric Von Anken, the handy newsman. That is, as always, Jeff, the crafty cameraman. You have a new storm door.
Yes, my husband put this in last year and we noticed how hot it was getting in the house because it's not tinted.
So I should warn you, we brought some window tint, but we've never done this before. We're going to find out how easy or difficult it is.
Okay.
And I hope get results at home.
Sounds good. Thank you.
Thanks for your confidence. Step one is to clean thoroughly and completely the window on the inside and the outside, and that's your house hack to make sure you can spot any imperfections on the tint once you get it on.
You're missing a spot right there.
Where?
Right there.
Here?
No, right there.
Here?
How can you not see it?
I
It's
just
huge.
did that! Jeff, your lens is dirty. Sorry, Jeff. Step two is measure the glass. When measuring, you want to give yourself an extra inch on both sides. We'll fine-tune it later with a razor blade. Then just use scissors to cut it. Remember, it's just a rough cut. Step three is wet the glass. We bought this installation kit because it's supposed to make life a whole lot easier, and it comes with this application solution. You want to soak the entire window. In this case, the more, the better, and that's another house hack for you. It should start to puddle on the bottom. Then soak it again and go to town with a squeegee that came with the kit. The last step is you want to wet it one more time as you seal up the corners. Cindy, I think that's about as good as it's going to get.
It looks really good.
I'll be the first to admit, though, it's not perfect. Definitely struggle along the edges. The corners are tough, but this is something someone could do, although I'll never do it again. So thanks for letting us try it out here.
Well, I appreciate you coming. Thank you.
My pleasure. We're getting results at home for the most part in Oviedo. Eric Von Anken, News 6.